Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain about StyleMart.com reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll show the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the amazing and beautiful homepage of this website. And if you want to take a look at the product category, then just simply click the menu option button and you'll find the huge and different collection of this website. So you'll find bags, kitchen appliances and various jewelry products like rings, earrings, pendants, necklaces, etc. Guys, the prices of these offerings are too cheap. Now let's take a look at the payment options. So the modes of payment available on this website are Amex, Visa, Discover, MasterCard, debit cards, etc. Now guys, coming to the shipping policy, this website has no shipping info present on the web page. Now, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you guys. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, the website is looking professional with a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. And talking about the domain name was created on 10th of August 2020 and it is 27 days old, which is a bad sign guys, as this is a newly launched website in the online market. So due to this, the website may not have too much traffic. Now guys, let's take a look at the About Us section. But I'm not able to view About Us section on this website. So again, this is a bad sign and shows that the website may be suspicious. Now coming to the contact info. Just click this menu option button and you'll find Contact Us page. So guys, I'm not able to find the official address of the company on this page. So again, this is a red high alert, but the email address which is given on this page matches with the domain name, but this email is a normal email Gmail ID, that is care.stylemart@gmail.com. We can't say this is an official email. So now let's talk about the social media presence. So guys, here you can see that there are some social media icons available on this web page, which are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and YouTube. But I want to tell you that the social media icons present on this web page are fake and connected to the official accounts of Shopify. So again, this is one of the biggest drawbacks of this website and which shows that this website may be suspicious. Coming to the return policy guys, no return policy is available on this website and no customer reviews are there due to the recent online presence of this website. And guys, talking about the content and quality, it does not seem authentic. Look at the privacy policy guys. So this is the privacy policy section of this website and they have copied it from another website. So I think this is again a biggest drawback. So in the final conclusion guys, I would say that the website is very new to the market and based on the following red flags about this website, it appears to be scam. Guys, I would advise to go for some reputed stores rather than risk buying from here. And if you have ever scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys. It will give benefit to other customers as well. And we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed, then please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.